Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Reddit password tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Reddit password, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Reddit website. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. Once prompted, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address associated with your Reddit account. After entering your email, click on the Send Password Reset Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Reddit. If you don't see it in your inbox, check the spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Create a strong and unique password, then enter it in the designated fields. Make sure to confirm your new password by entering it again. Once done, click on the Save or Submit button. You should see a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Reddit login page. Enter your username and your new password. Click the Login button to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.